Today, I want to talk to you about a few reasons why you should start using videos for your business. Yanko. Hello and welcome to Fatherhood in Focus. My name is Felix Baba.
Let's go.
This video is sponsored by me, myself, and my money. And of course, you, the subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the time. We are almost at the 500 milestone subscribers. And please, there's more room. So I'll wait for you whilst you subscribe. So go on, hit the button. Yanko, today I want to talk to you about a few reasons why you should start using videos for your business. Video has become the number one tool for the modern consumer. People all over the world or people all over the internet enjoys video content, especially on their smartphones. Do you know that 90% of consumers use videos on the go? How often do you watch video on your smartphone a day? Videos are more memorable because our brains are made to process visual information than text or written information. So let me give you a few reasons why videos are the most powerful tool for your business. Reason number one is Google. You know, Google is the number one search engine in the world. Do you know that? I'm sure you know. Google loves videos and Google is the number one search engine in the world. Since Google owns YouTube, if your videos ends up on YouTube, you stand a chance of ranking number one on the YouTube platform. Basically, if you put your videos on the YouTube, there's a possibility of your videos getting to large number of consumers, hence enhancing your sales. The modern consumer is so lazy, or for the use of a better word, so busy.
Let's go.
I hope people don't beat me on this one. So yes, the modern consumer is so busy to read about product description. If you showcase or explain your business or your product in video, you stand a chance of a customer buying your product if they relate to it. Point number three, video increases your return on investment. This basically means that if you use video to advertise or video to promote your business, you stand a chance of increasing sales on your business. I know video is very difficult to make. You go through a lot of hassle, but it is worth going through the hassle because the returns that comes out of making a video for your product is far greater than if you were to write about it or if you were to call someone about it. If you are not sure how to start, I have a video which I will link in the description box, which shows you how to start shooting videos using just your mobile phone. Point number four is video increases social shares. What does this mean? It means that, you know, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, you know, Periscope, Twitter, majority of these social media platforms started with photos. But look at what is happening now. TikTok, all of them are adding video features to their platform because they've realized how powerful video is. So when your videos ends up on social media, there is the possibility of your videos going viral on social media. If I receive your video, there's a possibility that I also share it to another person and then it keeps going. What is happening now is it is helping you reach wider audience, exposing your business to a large number of people, expanding your business. You see how a great impact it will have on your business. The next point is it engages with your audience or your customers. When you make videos, what happens is people that watch you kind of have this personal connection with you. Basically, they hear your voice, they see your face, they see your emotions, gestures, and it builds this trust as if they are with you in person. And when it happens like that, it kind of builds this kind of bond. And when people trust you, or when people feel like they know you or know what you are, they will certainly buy from you. So you may ask yourself, what type of videos can I make to sell my product? So there are number of videos, or different types of videos that you can make. You can make training videos, you can make how-to videos, you can make live videos, you can make educational videos like I'm doing now. You know, you can make product videos. You know, you see a lot of people making like how-to videos. How-to video is like how to do makeup on your face, how to do your hairstyle, like the way women do, a lot of ladies do on their vlog. You know, there's a lot of people that are doing there's something called Juice Plus or something. They call you on their phone and then expect you to buy it. But if you don't have something to show, if you don't have a explainer video to do it, how would they know? So if you do video to explain your product and then even put it on WhatsApp and then send it to your friend or send it out, you realize that people will be getting on your phone, calling you to be on top of the business or beat the competitor. Jump on videos, especially stay-at-home moms that are doing Juice Plus. Just put your phone down, start talking about Juice Plus, send it through WhatsApp to your friends, and boom, you realize that people will be coming to you. Just explain it, what Juice Plus is and what it gives them. I don't know what it is, but then I've received a few messages from people that want to sell me Juice Plus. You know, so why don't you do video and just put a camera in front of you, start talking to it, explain what Juice Plus is, and then send it through WhatsApp. They will be happy to see you, like, oh, this is my friend, haven't seen you in a long time. You know, it creates conversation. Then you get to kind of push your business to them. That's the way it works. I'd like to say thank you for joining me on this week's video. If you find any value in this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to share or like it. Until I see you next week, bye. My name is Feliz Barber. Hello and welcome once again. My name. Hello. Juice. So what is point number 5? Point number three. Hello and welcome to Fatherhood in Focus. My name is Feliz Barber. If this is your first time on this channel, I don't know how to say this one. Video has become Take two. Video has become the number 1 tool for the